Hey everybody, Joel Colander with Rock Island Auction here. We're going to take a sneak peek over the next few weeks, some short videos looking into our September premiere auction to be held September 8th, 9th, and 10th later this year. And a lot of people know we do a lot of historic guns, we do a lot of high value, world-class collectibles in our premiere auctions, but what they don't know is a lot of times we do a lot of fun guns too. There's a lot of fun guns, a lot of modern guns that appeal to a wider range of shooters. For example, I've been debating over some of these for concealed carry. One of the fun guns we have is, of course, classic Desert Eagle, not the Baby Deagle, not the 44, the real 50 AE, and you gotta love a pistol that sounds like an M1 carbine when you cock it. Always a plus. But then I had second thoughts and didn't think that was adequate, so we went for the gold trim version. Like I said, lots of fun guns here. And if those two weren't enough, we do have an AF 2011, which if you look from this angle, looks just like a regular 1911, but if you turn it towards the camera, you see it's a dual barrel. Now, if you've been on YouTube, you've seen these, probably most famously wielded by Jerry Miculek, dual wielded and fired in slow motion. It's some beautiful footage. If you haven't seen it yet, you should probably do it, but not before you finish this video. So come see these, thousands of other fun guns, modern firearms in our September 8th, 9th, and 10th Premier Firearms Auction. You can check out the full auctions listings at www.rockislandauction.com.